Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you, can you play Fortnite on Linux? The short answer is no, not directly. Fortnite relies on kernel-level anti-cheat systems like Easy Anti-Cheat and PetoEye, both of which don't support Linux or compatibility tools such as Wine, Proton, or Lutris. Because of this, the game either crashes or fails to launch entirely. Many Linux players have confirmed that even advanced configurations can't get Fortnite running properly. Epic Games also has stated that the Linux player base isn't large enough to justify native support. So, what are your options? You can either dual boot Windows for full compatibility or use cloud gaming platforms to stream the game instead. For advanced users without powerful steps, a virtual machine with GPU pass-through might work, but it's complex and not recommended for beginners. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.